So this is how I look super put together with very little lift during a beach holiday, some sort of rainforest holiday like where I am now, because all I really bring are linen slip dresses and very simple clothes. So something like this with organic kind of jewelry that doesn't have a lot of flash but has a lot of substance are what really is going to make every evening look. Ranjana Khan, they make a huge statement with nothing. I mean, they're gorgeous saffron feathers and they are neutral enough to work with everything. Big organic chandelier style earrings. They look perfect with any kind of slip dress. These bamboo bangles are an Etsy find and I just love them mixed in with my gold bangles. They look like they're part of the environment and they're neutral. They match with everything. Basic black, a necessity. This one I got in India and I am so in love with her. Look at the statement she makes. A simple white tank top and a pair of jean shorts. Any slip dress, of which I brought 20, makes the whole look. So I always bring a series of, I call them stackables, but also wrappables. So I can wear it long and break up something that's sort of caftany, or I can wrap it and wear it short as more of a collar idea. I probably spend a little more time organizing and thinking about colors here than I do with my actual wardrobe in the closet. I hang this with my clothes and my whole trip looks merchandised.